guys, we are moving forward to the 4-story building in Nigeria, built in 1845. So I'm looking at it in front of me. Let me show you guys before we enter. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I couldn't make a proper introduction for this content because it's a continuation of my slave trade video. If you haven't watched the video, I'll link the card up for you guys to see. But let's dive into today's video. This building right here is the 4-story building built by the European. This building is also known as the Missionary House in Nigeria and is the first to be a decking building built by the Europeans missionaries in Nigeria. The foundation of this was laid in 1842 by the Reverend Henry Townsend. I hope I don't murder that name anyways. The building took them 3 years to be completed and it was monitored by Reverend C.A. Gorman. After slave trade and colonization stopped, the building was converted into a tourist attraction in the ancient town of Badagry. So that was why I'm privileged to enter this place after 176 good years, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel by now, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell for you to get notified whenever I post a new video.
So the way it's used on the roof, then you can see compared to the ones of this day. So this is the roof. Then.
Oh, this one is very thick.
So compare the thickness with the current day like those ones we have behind there. Then also look at the hinges. Look at how big they are. The hinges and the lock. So look at them. So this was the laborers' room at the then. This was a picture of a Christmas celebrated in 1923. An artistic representation of what the Algier trade looks like as the place Christianity was first.
Have you ever heard anything concerning the Algier tree? Because as for me, this is my first time of hearing the history of Christianity.
The first teachers were sent into Nigeria. This was his bedroom then. Mr. Claudius Philip. He resided in Badagry between 1845 and 1868. And the first he started with the enrollment of 40 men. And
40 men?
Yes.
Okay, this was the picture of the first known school in Nigeria, which was established by Mr. and Mrs. De Craft. All the materials they were used for constructing this building was shipped in, except for the plank they were used for the decking, the stairs, the door, and the window. The first room you get to see when you get up is this Bishop Ajayi Crowther's Bible store. This was Samuel Ajayi Crowther's room. Samuel Ajayi Crowther was a slave captured in Osogun in Ogun State. He was sold to a bishop in Sierra Leone. He was sold in as a domestic slave, but later trained to become a clergy to work in a missionary. He was the one that translated the English Bible to Yoruba language. These are the translated Bible. They are still intact, up to date. If you're enjoying watching this video, kindly leave a comment down below. Just sit back and enjoy while I take you guys around the compound of this building as well. Inside the compound, there is a well called the Miracle Well, which was dug in 1842. This well is colorless, odorless. People actually get ill by taking this water. People couldn't conceive when they take this water. They have kids. I hope that is just their own belief. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I will see you in my next video.